Hi everyone, welcome back to my Airtable tutorial series. A lot of people ask me how to connect ChatGPT to Airtable. Normally, we can use custom script or JavaScript to link ChatGPT to Airtable, but it's very hard for you to understand if you don't know how to script or don't understand JavaScript. In today's videos, I will use Zapier to connect ChatGPT to Airtable. I will make this tutorial very quick, so make sure you will watch till the end of the videos. You can watch the video I pinned in top right corner right here. That video will compare all the ways to link ChatGPT to Airtable. I compare all the pros, cons, and pricing as well. Okay, let's jump to the videos now. I have an example Airtable projects, Trump tariffs. You can see here a country, China, European, Vietnam, and Taiwan. The charge to USA by percent, the USA tariff by percent, and the prompt. You can read my prompt here. It's similar like Microsoft Excel. Create a small social media post about the country, charge to USA, so we charge them USA tariffs. Only give me block, no explain or titles. So, this is the prompt I will test in this video. I will move my webcam a little bit. Okay, perfect. You can see the prompt here. Create a social media post about China, charge us 67%, and we will charge them 34%. Only give me blog post, no explain or titles. Similar to this one, European, Vietnam, or Taiwan. Now I will use Zapier to connect ChatGPT to Airtable. I have this project from Zapier that I created before, but for easy for you guys to follow, I will start this one from scratch. First of all, you need to add a trigger from Airtable. I will choose Airtable right here, or you can search for Airtable right here. I previously connect my Zapier account to Airtable, but you don't connect it yet. You can choose connect a new account, and it will ask you to grant access. Zapier want to requesting some data from Airtables, and you need to add all resource. You need to add the base is the one that you want to working with. I already have here, so I will choose the trigger event. For the trigger event, you choose new record. Okay, in the configure, you choose the base is Trump tariff. For the table, you choose table 1. As you remember, my base is Trump tariff and table 1. And then the grid view also, so I will choose the views to grid view right here. Include attachment content. Normally, I will choose yes. Now you can test the trigger. Okay, that's successful. Now for the next action, you choose Airtable again. You choose the event is find record. This action allows you to search for some specific record on your table. If you have a paid plan for Zapier, you will have this action like this. For this action, like the name, you can find many records on the table. But my account's not a paid plan, it's just a free plan, so I just stick with find record for now. In this tab, you choose a base. Again, you choose time tariff, tables, table 1, search by field. This is important because my Zapier free account just can search a record one by one. So I will choose the country to search for. In the search value, I will choose China. So this means I will search for China in the country field. Okay, the search type is exact match or content. Normally, I will use content. Okay, that is all. Continue. Now you can test it. Okay, now we'll see Zapier found the records that we need. Field country, China, charge to USA, tariffs, and the field this is important is create a small social media post is our prompt. So for the next action, we will add ChatGPT. ChatGPT, OpenAI. Now in this one, you choose an event is conversation like this. Okay, for the account, like I said, I previously connect my account to Zapier. But for you guys, you need to connect a new account. You need to paste here API key from OpenAI. If you don't have OpenAI account, you need to create one. Now to find API key, you click settings, you click API keys, and you create new secret keys. I will copy my API key and paste it here. and I continue to ChatGPT OpenAI. Okay, now in the configure tabs, in the model, you will choose the model you want to use. For now, I will choose GPT-4o Mini. It's based on what you want. The user message is the prompt that you will ask ChatGPT. So now we need to link our prompt value here from China record here. Now I will choose this one, the number 2 action file record in Airtable. You click here and you will see the field prompt. I will choose the prompt right here. You can add your own instruction here if you want ChatGPT to make some more specific tasks. But for now, I will leave it there. And then to finish it, you click continue, and now you can click test. You see here, there's a data in. Our prompt in China record. This is data out. And you see in the output test, yeah, this is ChatGPT response. Okay, next action, you need to add Airtable again. And you need to choose an event is update a record. And then you need to continue. You choose the base again, you choose the table again, and now you need to choose a value. The value here is the China record that I searched before. So now I will choose the custom one. You click the number 2 action, file record, and then you need to choose an ID of the record. Okay, now basically it's done. You need to add the item you want to update. In my case, I want to copy the response from ChatGPT to my prompt 1 output right here. So in the prompt 1 output, I will mapping a field is conversation in ChatGPT, and then I will choose the one called output test right here. Now I continue, and now I will run the script. A record was sent to Airtable about 1 second. So now I will come back to my Airtable. You see here, it successfully transfers the response from ChatGPT to my Airtable base. You can see the response here. Okay, Zapier is very powerful tool that you can do a lot of kind of automations. My tutorials is very simple way for you to connect ChatGPT to Airtable base. But keep in mind that Zapier is not totally free. You just have 100 free tasks per month. If you need a higher amount than that, you need to switch to a paid plan from Zapier. Okay guys, that's all my tutorials. If this video helpful for you, please give me a subscribe, a like, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next videos.